Hello, my name is Italo Vignoli and I'm handling marketing at the Document Foundation. When we announced LibreOffice in 2010, we wanted to make sure that the innovation introduced by OpenOffice 10 years before could be maintained over the next 10 years. Today, 11 years after, we can say that we have achieved that objective. And LibreOffice is as innovative as ever. Today is the best platform for personal productivity, available on different operating system, different hardware, different environments. And all of this has in common the LibreOffice technology. Let's see how the evolution has happened. In 2010, LibreOffice was only for the desktop. Today, in 2021, LibreOffice is available for the desktop, even in long-term supported version optimized for enterprises, is available online for the cloud, is available on mobile for Android and iOS, and for Chrome OS. The different products are based on the same technology, although in some cases their name is not LibreOffice, but is the name of the ecosystem company that is releasing the software. All these products from different organizations share the same engine, which is common to all modules. This is an incredibly important characteristic and is a differentiating factor for LibreOffice. LibreOffice technology is the result of 10 years of development in the right direction. When we started, the developers have focused their attention on cleaning and refactoring the source code. Then, when the source code was good enough to evolve, they've started to focus on code quality and consistency using technologies that allow us to improve on that side. And developers have also created easy and extensive APIs for development, but also for macro development when users need to develop or introduce some automation in their files. What is incredibly important, what is really the differentiating factor for LibreOffice, is that for all the solution, for all the different flavors of the software, the processing engine is the same and is common to all modules. This gives a strong integration, of course, more robustness, of course, improves the consistency of the results, and therefore, in general, provides a better Office suite. Today, we can say that LibreOffice technology is the best open source platform for personal productivity and is tightly integrated on desktop, mobile, and cloud. But let's see from a visual representation how this is happening. In the case of LibreOffice, which is on top, as you see, we have a common productivity engine. We have the same productivity engine is also the productivity engine that produces the documents. So there is a very strong consistency. We can say that the documents which are developed on the different platform are exactly the same. Of course, then you have a different user interface because what is good on the desktop is not good on mobile and cloud, and therefore you need a different user interface. The other Office suites, both proprietary and open core, have been developed in a completely different way. They are less integrated, and even when they are integrated, they have a different engine for the desktop application, for the mobile application, and for the cloud application. And in many cases, they have a different engine for the word processor, a different engine for the spreadsheet, and a different engine for the presentation module. So you have a matrix of different possibilities in terms of document, and for sure the document, even if they refer to a common description, which should always be remembered is not a standard. Microsoft Office documents are not standard at all. Even when they refer to this pseudo standard, they are different on every platform. This is the reason why we have developed a logo for the LibreOffice technology, a logo that embodies absolutely the characteristic of this platform. Basically, you can look at LibreOffice from any point of view. You will always see the same engine, you will always see the same documents, and you will always see a similar user interface and a very consistent behavior in relationship to the user. This is very important. You don't need to spend a terrible amount of money to train people on different platforms. The results are predictable, and they are also very easy to understand if analyzed by technical people. Where is this happening? So LibreOffice development is leveraging a global infrastructure which has been created by the Document Foundation over the year. So we have Gerrit, we have Tinderboxes, we have Git, Bugzilla, we have a wiki to document the different solutions, OpenGrok, an online help, the API for Uno, we have Weblate for localization, we have performance analysis, we have crash reporting. Developers can find what they need in a single infrastructure which has been created together with developers and is maintained together with developers. In addition, developers are using static code analysis tools. The main one is CoverityScan, and LibreOffice has a defect density of 0.0.0 is probably the largest open source project to have such a low defect density, and this has been possible thanks to the work of developers based on the static code analysis. In addition, we are using fuzzing technology to spot vulnerabilities before they get on the master source code. So far, we have been able to prevent vulnerabilities to reach the end user, and let's cross our fingers and hope that this happens in the future as well. The API were considered rather difficult, the UNO APIs, but LibreOffice Kit has been developed to allow access to functionalities without the need of using the UNO environment. The idea is to provide a thin API that allows people to write apps without having to compile or link to LibreOffice. And this allows fast rendering of documents for any application. So which is the LibreOffice unique selling proposition? LibreOffice is the best open source Office suite ever and is backed by a strong community and a strong ecosystem. Please remember, it is the best open source Office suite because it's based on a on a technology which has evolved over the years, which is solid, which is different from the technologies used by other office suites, and it's more integrated. LibreOffice technology is by far a differentiating advantage for LibreOffice. In addition, LibreOffice is based on the ODF ISO standard document format for interoperability and digital sovereignty, and provides a superior compatibility with proprietary document format. We want to offer users the best independently from the document format they choose. We suggest to use the standard one, but if they want to use a proprietary document format, we provide them with the best interoperability. And again, with a strong consistency between documents which are developed on the different flavors of the software. So whatever version of LibreOffice you are using, whatever platform you are choosing to run LibreOffice, your document will be consistent. We can say that they will be exactly the same. You will never have issues in opening the documents on a different platform, in exchanging the documents with other people. So LibreOffice provides the best of free open source software and adds professional support available for organizations which are deploying office productivity tools for production and management of strategic business contents. It is important that enterprises understand that behind LibreOffice there is a very large and consistent development effort, and they should start contributing back using one of the many available ways to contribute back to the project. And again, showing the LibreOffice technology logo for the last time. Thank you for listening, and please remember, the LibreOffice technology is what makes LibreOffice different and what makes LibreOffice the software that you should choose for your personal productivity needs, independently from the format of your document, the platform of choice, if it's a desktop, if it's mobile, if it's cloud. LibreOffice is always the best solution and the best software available for every kind of personal productivity need.